Here's how to get rid of parasites from your intestines with garlic and apples immediately. Do you suffer from constipation, diarrhea, or other intestinal problems? In today's video, you'll learn how to make a powerful drink that will help you get rid of parasites naturally. This drink contains anti-parasitic properties that attack the worms and help stop their proliferation in your body. Intestinal parasites are worms that lodge in the intestines and cause digestive problems. Usually, parasites are transmitted by ingesting contaminated water, poorly disinfected food, and feces in poorly sanitized foods such as salads. So to keep away from these parasites, it's ideal to keep the intestinal flora in balance. If you answered that you suffer from constipation, diarrhea, or other intestinal diseases, did you know that you're more likely to get worms? But many suffer from parasites and don't know it. The main symptoms are intestinal problems with no apparent cause, anal itching, bloating and/or swelling in the abdomen, anxiety and/or nervousness, increase or loss of appetite, sudden weight loss, anemia and/or fatigue, nutritional deficiencies, even if you eat right. The good news is that they can be fought naturally with ingredients that don't harm the body. You need papaya, pumpkin, and lemon seeds, as well as garlic and apple. They all have anti-parasitic properties that help eliminate intestinal worms and balance the intestinal flora. Papaya seeds are rich in papain, which helps eliminate intestinal parasites. According to a Nigerian study from Obafemi Awolowo University, people who drank a papaya seed elixir eliminated between 71.4% and 100% of parasites. Amazing, isn't it? Pumpkin seeds also help paralyze worms and make them easier to eliminate from the digestive tract, which relieves constipation. Lemon seeds are also rich in vitamin C and contain essential oils with an anti-parasitic effect. Therefore, they help eliminate worms in the intestine and strengthen immunity to infectious agents. Garlic, in turn, contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that act like a natural antibiotic against intestinal parasites. And according to a study by the Graz University of Technology in Austria, apples contain probiotics that help regulate intestinal flora. Did you know that? Now that you know the benefits of each ingredient in the recipe, write them down. 15 papaya seeds, 5 lemon seeds, 1/2 cup pumpkin seeds, 1 chopped apple with the peel and seeds, 3 garlic cloves, 1 cup water. Put the water in a pot or a milk jug. Add the seeds, apple, and garlic and boil for 10 minutes. Let it cool and then take it 30 minutes before breakfast, always on an empty stomach. Take this tea 3 days in a row. Did you like the recipe? If you already know it, tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like this video. And don't keep this information to yourself. Help your friends and family by sharing this tip with them. I wish you good health.